Hi, good morning. I'm Jackie Rowe from the Garlic Box. We're in Dashwood, just outside of Garlic Box World Headquarters in Hensel, Ontario. We're harvesting garlic scapes today. Garlic Box has been championing Ontario garlic for more than 20 years now, and I'm happy to show you the first edible part of Ontario's spring garlic, which is the garlic scape. Our garlic plant is about 4 to 6 weeks from harvest, but we have a double harvest in Ontario with the garlic scape. This is the first edible part. It's a curly shoot and a double coil. We have about a 2 to 3 day window to harvest this A+ vegetable. This vegetable, if you see it at a farmer's market or Anna's Flowers in Leamington, you should absolutely buy as many as you can pack in your freezer. They are loaded with calcium, vitamin K, vitamin A. They're anti-osteoarthritic, anti-inflammatory. They clean the blood, they oxygenate the blood. They're high in plant protein, rich in fiber. Not only that, they taste delicious. You're going to get a mild garlic flavor with the garlic scape. If you want, you can blanch it and then saute it, put it in salads, put it on your grill. If you visit garlicrecipes.ca, you'll also see many ideas on what you can do with the garlic scape. And they're great to put in your freezer if you blanch them, chop them up just like a green bean, and then you can eat them all winter long. I'm going to dig out a bulb just to show you the size of the bulb as we scape. So this is the size. Smells amazing. And there's the scape. If we don't harvest the scape and snap it off like this, that will be the size of your bulb. And that's not a large enough bulb for market garlic. By taking the scape off, this is going to allow the bulb in the next 4 weeks, it will triple in size. All the nutrients from the scape are now going to travel down into the bulb. The bulb will triple its size and be harvested in 4 weeks for a really nice market ready. Now the roots are going to grow and travel extensively. And what this does is scaping allows the bulb to get bigger, and it allows us to enjoy the first edible part of Ontario's spring garlic. The scape is just as healthy as the bulb, but for very different reasons. It's rich in chlorophyll, that makes it healthier than kale. So only 4 weeks to go for this.
All right, I'm Dean Van Raay, Raay Farms. We're standing in the garlic field. We have about 40 acres here.
Dean and I have been working together for 4 years to create a sustainable industry for Ontario's garlic sector. The scapes leave here, where are they going?
They're going to the home farm there, where we just put on an 8,000 square foot facility. They'll go into the cooler and be stored there until they go to the next customer.
So, good morning. I'm Martin Van Raay from Raay Farms, and we're here this morning with some scapes, some of our garlic boxes. We're harvesting scapes today. We get about 1,000 pounds of scapes per acre, and they've been snapping them off for 2 days now. They bring them in from the field, and we weigh the boxes to see how much we get, and then we put them in the cooler. The coolers run between around 4 degrees C, and we blow air through the boxes in order to get the field heat out of them so that they stay good for a long time. So these scapes stored properly should last about 3 weeks in cold storage. Stay as fresh almost as the day they were snapped off from the plant.
You're at the garlic box in Hensel where we are packing our garlic scapes. They arrive to us in 500-pound totes. There's a lot of handwork involved with handling the garlic scape. As you can see here, we're bundling them in bundles of 8 to 10 whips. They're very curly. There's no mechanical way to do this except with 2 hands. Sometimes it takes 3 hands to put these scapes in a bundle. So they're going to go from these hands over to the hands behind them. And over here, the scapes get trimmed, put in a bucket. And if the tips, so we trim them so that they're all approximately the same size. And we don't want any woody parts on here, so we'll trim that. And then we'll also trim these down so that the whips aren't too long. Then the scapes will get bundled like this. A POS tag will get tied on that identifies what the product is, recipes on how to use it, and what we tell you how to use it is to think of it as a green bean or asparagus and to eat it that way. It loves Parmesan cheese, a bam of lemon juice, salt and pepper on it. You can boil them or blanch them. These will last, once you get it home, you can wrap this in a paper towel and put it in your Ziploc freezer bag and just stick it in the crisper of your cooler, and it'll last 3 to 4 weeks quite nicely. Hi, you're at the world headquarters of the Garlic Box in Hensel, Ontario. This is our retail location where we sell more than 42 different value-added food products made with locally grown garlic. Most of the fields are not far from the Garlic Box. Some of our favorite items are our diced garlic scapes, which we just harvested this week, packed yesterday. These are great in salads. Use it like a caper, tuna salad, egg salad, potato salad, pasta salad. We've been here for 18 years. The Garlic Box has been in business for 20 years, but this facility, we've been here for 18 years, so we retail upstairs, we produce downstairs, and anyone that wants to purchase is welcome to come here in Hensel. If you don't find our products here, you can also visit Anna's in Leamington. Some of our we did this product, I'd just like to feature it. Our barbecue sauce made with Canadian whiskey, Wayne Gretzky's whiskey, and local maple syrup. All the funds go to the families of Canada's fallen soldiers, and we smoke our own garlic. So we are doing this to celebrate Canada's birthday because we think Canada's pretty special, and it does grow the world's best garlic. So we're giving it a salute from all things iconically Canadian: whiskey, maple syrup, and now garlic. Thank you, Anna's, for coming to see us. And me and my buds just want to say goodbye and safe trip home.